It looks like it'll be well after dark, so you get your evening walk around the neighborhood in. If you want to do a little grilling outside, just watch the wind. But outside of that, it should be fine for that activity. It's still plenty warm. In fact, it's as warm now as it's been all day. Your Bordner Home Improvement City Cam as you look out at I-29 near the airport. 60 in Richmond. Mid-50s Cameron, mid-50s Bethany. Little light rain has been falling over northern Missouri. That's not part of the storm. Well, it's part of the same system, but it's not part of the storms that are really going to be rumbling through tonight. That doesn't happen until after dark. 58 degrees at 7. Temperatures then will cool when those storms do arrive. Saturday, starting the day at 50, 54 degrees at 9. Eventually working into the mid-60s tomorrow, low to mid-60s. It'll be a struggle to hit 64 as northwest winds blow in. Live-power Doppler radar picking up a few of the developing storms northwest of Topeka. These are not strong storms just yet. In fact, not even producing thunder and lightning as of yet. But I'll keep an eye on those. Thunder and lightning being found in these storms, which are basically sandwiching Salina, that little storm system here. These were the first to develop about 2 hours ago. They'll be moving into the Concordia vicinity, and they'll completely miss even northwest Missouri on the same vector they're following now. Severe weather risk. This is a marginal threat for severe weather over north central Kansas. It does catch parts of northeast Kansas, maybe just a sliver of northwest Missouri. Large hail and wind would be the primary threat. The tornado threat has been removed by the Storm Prediction Center. Scattered showers just now beginning to form. Watch them try to cluster up together, and then they'll start to piggyback one another, meaning training thunderstorms. That easily produces 1-inch rainfall totals in parts of northwest Missouri. May see that after dark. Some of these rains may continue until 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Well, here's a look at how much rain could potentially be falling as these showers catch mostly northeast Kansas and northwest Missouri. Atchison, Maryville, Bethany, that looks to be the basic triangle of where we're going to see the majority of the rains fall. South of that little triangle area, it'll be spotty rains. Now, this shows 0.4 of an inch up by the airport. But again, these storms really have to sink south in order to do that. Security Bank 7-day, 64 degrees on Saturday, 62 with sunshine Sunday. Monday, a nice warm day, in fact, the warmest of the next 7, but it's also going to be the windiest. A very tight pressure gradient pushes wind speeds up to 40, maybe 50 miles an hour with some of the higher wind gusts. That'll be replaced by a cold front on Wednesday, and look what that cold front does to the mornings. 36 Wednesday morning, 32, maybe a little frost on the ground Thursday morning. The Royals take the field on Thursday afternoon. I'm going to show you that forecast in just a bit. Wanted to tell you about Friday of next week, though. That looks to be a windy and warm day as well. Well, that Royals forecast as the Royals take on the Texas Rangers. This one goes down as a game that actually counts. 58 degrees on opening day at first pitch, 60 by the middle innings, 57 degrees at 6 p.m. I've seen a lot of opening days. And Carolyn, even though it's going to be cool, this one looks to be a keeper.